Top 5 Best Snap Fastener Tool. Number 1. Danemann Snap Fastener Tool. If you are looking for a button snap for every major, minor repair of canvas cover, then Danemann is the right tool for you. Features: 90-day guarantee, adjustable pliers, used for different items, very fast and safe. Number 2. Lehigh Snap Fastener Tool. The box includes different varieties of colorful buttons. Professionals also can showcase their creativity using this. Features: 375 pieces, different size, lifetime warranty, adjustable and easy to use. Number 3. Ironwood Pacific Snap Fastener Tool. If you are looking for long-lasting snap pliers, then Ironwood is perfect for you. Ironwood Pacific is a heavy-duty snap setter tool. Features: suitable for beginners, suitable for professionals, easy snap installation, long-lasting. Number 4. YZS Snap Fastener Tool. The Snap tool is the upgraded version. Any major and minor repair can be done with this tool. Features: adjustable snap setter, comfortable to work with, powerful and durable, nickel plating. Number 5. Shapula Snap Fastener Tool. The set of snap fasteners is not like other plastic tools. The tool is enough for meeting your every need. Features: wide range, high quality materials, bright and anti-rust, easy to control.